Hey there! Today, I'm diving into some traditional home skills that not only bring joy but also promote sustainability and self-sufficiency. Stick around as I share a glimpse into baking bread, making cheese, soap making, candle making, and sewing. Ready? Let's jump right in. First up, bread baking. There's nothing quite like the smell of fresh bread wafting through your home. Making bread from scratch is simpler than you might think. You need flour, water, yeast, and a bit of patience. Mix your ingredients, let the dough rise, and bake it until it's golden brown. Trust me, the taste is out of this world and miles better than store-bought. Next, let's talk cheese making. This might sound daunting, but it's a rewarding skill to learn. Start with something simple like mozzarella or ricotta. All you need is milk, rennet, and a little bit of know-how. The process involves heating the milk, adding the rennet, and then separating the curds from the whey. Before you know it, you'll be enjoying homemade cheese with your freshly baked bread. Moving on to soap making. This is a fantastic way to ensure you're using pure, natural ingredients on your skin. The basic method involves mixing oils like olive or coconut oil with lye and water. Add your favorite essential oils or herbs for fragrance and let it cure for a few weeks. Not only is homemade soap better for your skin, but it also reduces plastic waste from store-bought bottles. Now, candle making. Perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere at home. You'll need wax, a wick, and a container. Melt the wax, add your favorite scent, and pour it into the container with the wick positioned in the center. Let it cool, and voila! You've made your own candles. These also make great gifts for friends and family. Finally, let's talk about sewing. This skill can save you money and reduce waste by allowing you to mend or even create your own clothes. Start with basic stitches and simple projects like hemming pants or repairing a tear. As you get more comfortable, you can take on more complex projects like making a dress or a bag. Learning these skills not only gives you a sense of accomplishment, but also contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. Plus, you get to enjoy the fruits of your labor, whether it's a loaf of bread, a block of cheese, or a handmade garment. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living sustainably. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.